Hi everyone, my name is Anna. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you on tips and tricks, do's and don'ts when selling on Vinted. So Vinted is a marketplace where you sell your beloved items and they can be new or used, and the best part is that you get your full profit and they do not charge any selling fees like other platforms out there, so it's very good for beginners. I joined Vinted in 2018 and I started as a seller, though on the other hand I was a buyer as well, so that's why I'll be able to tell you how I think of the sellers on my do's and don'ts. I had no followers back then or reviews, so you can imagine how difficult it was to get sales. But my number one tip is to follow as many people on Vinted as possible, because some of them do follow you back to be able to get noticed. Try to look on profiles where a person has reviews as a buyer and follow them. This is what I did, and now I have over 1,000 followers on Vinted. So whenever I post something, they will get notified on what I posted. And another tip is to join in the community forum. This is a great place to post your items, as some people can be looking for specific items, and if you happen to have them, you can be able to send them pictures of what you're offering. And also you have certain topics on how to post your items to generate sales. So sellers come up with games like putting 3 pictures of your items, and the person needs to like all the items or choose which one they like most, and so many interesting topics. And another tip is to write a very good description on your profile. Tell the people what you are offering in terms of delivery times as well, and also if you can offer returns, that will be a bonus. So just be creative really. And when it comes to do's, make sure you take a very good pictures, and you can put as many pictures as you can, but they need to be of of good quality, and try showing different angles and showing important details. If your item has faults, make sure you take a picture of it and write it in your item description as well. So just be honest as possible, as if you mislead people and your item likely gets sold, the buyer may leave you a bad review, so it will affect your sales, to be honest. You can also try to use the Vinted service of bumping your items into either your wardrobe or just one item for a price of 99p, I believe, for an item, and £6.99, I believe, for the whole wardrobe. This will not only get you sales, but they can bring you more followers as well if they like your items in your wardrobe. Now for the don'ts: when taking pictures, make sure to put photos of not so good quality, or photos that doesn't show the full length of item. I've seen some sellers do that on Vinted, and that's really bad. Also, some sellers like to send messages after a buyer favorite their items. I know some people will be against this, but as a buyer, sometimes I do get messages from sellers offering me discounts or telling me they will be posting the items next day, so I can buy it if I'm still interested. To be honest, this for me is really annoying, because sometimes I do favorite an item while I'm shopping, so that I may be able to find it when I'm ready to buy, as maybe I might have sometimes 2 or 3 items favorited, so it doesn't mean I want to buy the item now. So it's a don't for me. But if you are doing it and it's working for you, that's great. And for the tricks, I'm not sure if it falls as a tip, but you can try accessorize your items. You post, for example, if you are selling a dress, try to post something like a bag or shoe or some necklace, just to dress your item up, and you'll give the buyer an idea. The same with other items, so just be creative. And if you happen to get your first sale, make sure to post it on time and pack your buyer's items nicely, and you can include just a personal note to say thank you, which is always a lovely thing to do. And if it all goes well and the buyer receives their item, don't forget to leave a good feedback and they will turn a favor to you as well. I hope I did not forget anything, and these tips and tricks, do or don'ts, will help you make your first sale. But as long as you have a great items and at a reasonable price, you will be okay. So thank you guys for watching this file. I hope I've helped someone with this information. Please leave a comment on the comment section, and you can put any tips and tricks that I've not mentioned or covered to help someone else and even me as well, because I do sell sometimes, but now I'm more of a buyer than a seller, because I do not have like a lot of beloved item that I wish to sell for now. And maybe next time I'll talk about how to go about as a buyer and find good and affordable items to buy. That will be another whole video, so we're gonna leave it for the next one. Thank you again, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and you can also like, comment and share my videos as we continue to grow. It's bye for now.